This video is made for creating awareness on a very sensitive topic called recto-vaginal fistula. I intend that after listening to this video, many females, if suffering from the same symptoms, should evaluate themselves. I was suffering from pain and swelling in the left side of vagina, and as such I approached my regular gynecologist to evaluate the same. He checked and he examined and told me that I was suffering from infection in the left side of the Bartholine gland. The infection was too much, and as such he suggested to remove the Bartholine gland on the left side along with the infection. I was admitted for 2 days in the hospital and discharged after 2 days after removal of the Bartholine gland along with the infection. It took me around 4 to 5 months to completely recover from the surgery. After 7 to 8 months, I started facing swelling and pain and some tightness in the right side of the Bartholine gland. Again, I approached my gynecologist, who examined and diagnosed that there was infection in the right side of the Bartholine gland. He prescribed me a lot of antibiotics, and for 3-4 months I was being prescribed by different antibiotics. However, the issue of the swelling and the pain, blood discharge was not stopped. Hence, I approached another gynecologist who also prescribed me lot of antibiotics for 3-4 months again. And lastly, since she could not diagnose why there was discharge and infection, she suggested me to approach skin specialist. However, I again approached my earlier gynecologist, and he recommended to remove the right side Bartholine as well. Again, I was admitted in the hospital for 2 days and the right side Bartholine was removed. After removal of the right side Bartholine also, there was pain, discharge, and the same thing was repeated. Due to constant antibiotics and different kind of medicines, physically I was too weak, mentally I was too depressed, and it was causing a lot of effect on my total health. I started suffering from constipation, and due to this I thought to approach to Dr. Prasad Bapat, who is expert in this field. He patiently listened to all the symptoms, all the history, and examined me physically, and then he immediately told me that it was recto-vaginal fistula. I was totally unaware of this disease and I had lot of questions in mind. To reassure this, he suggested MRI to be done, and in MRI it was evident that there were multiple tracts and lot of infection, and that was a case of recto-vaginal fistula. However, in MRI only one opening was visible. So we decided to meet Dr. Prasad Bapat again, and he assured me that I would be 100%, he will be curing me 100% from this disease. Based on this confirmation, I decided to go for the treatment. It was a non-surgical treatment, 5 sittings, and which was called as Kshar sutra. Since in MRI only one opening was visible, it was Dr. Prasad Bapat's experience and expertise that he located the second opening and treated me well. In the entire treatment of 5 sittings, it took around 1 to 1.5 months for the total treatment, where in the morning I used to visit, he used to treat me with the local anesthesia and the threads which is part of the treatment. First, I thought it would be very painful, as I had already experienced lot of pain during the surgeries. But however, this was not at all painful for me. I did not take a single painkiller into entire treatment of 1 to 1.5 months. So total there were 5 sittings, and after first sitting itself I started feeling that there is some kind of improvement in my health. After completion, after following all the instructions by Dr. Prasad, I am totally fit now and I'm not experiencing any kind of swelling, pain, and everything is normal. Special thanks to Dr. Prasad Bapat, who patiently answered all my queries and treated me well. I would request all the females, all the girls, ladies who are experiencing such kind of pain and suffering from the surgeries should evaluate themselves and contact Dr. Prasad Bapat. Thank you so much.